the place of the yaj is that where the learned of the Vedas and Ashtanga Yoga philosophy gives the preach from the Vedas and make all devotees able to understand what is Vedas, what is yaj, and how and why the yaj is performed, and what is the preach of the Vedas. The Vedas preach is in three, you can say, part: education, three education, knowledge of every matter which has been created by God Himself, knowledge of every matter like sun, moon, stars, this flowing the winter wind or summer wind, and this you drink the water, every right from the straw up to Brahm. The education of right from the straw and up to the Brahm is given by the God in the Vedas, is given by the God Himself in the Vedas, not by any man, not by any rishi, direct from God. So Vedas tell about first thing, knowledge of every matters. In the matters it includes every science, atomic energy, how the electricity is built, what is the Ashtanga. This is science only. And thereafter, second chapter is preached in the Vedas by the God about the deeds. What is the shape of the deeds? Deeds means pious deeds which are to be performed, and the bad deeds which are not to be performed. Third education is about the worship of God, existence of the God. Vedas proves that there is God, and scientifically Vedas prove that there is a existence of the Almighty God who creates the universe. And so there are three proofs. First is guess. You can guess by seeing all the universal matters like sun, etc., that these matters have not been made by anybody else. These have been not made by any woman, any man, any human being. And without making anything, any matter is made automatically. Automatically is not there because all the matters are dead. So there is some power to create the sun, moon, and even in some ratio, in ratios. So third part of the education is worship of God. Who is God? The God who creates the creation. The God from which the knowledge of the four Vedas emanates. So about these all things, and what is the shape of the God, how the worship is performed, these things also preached by the God Himself in the Vedas. Now we have, what is the cause of this being atheist, Gnostic? The cause of being atheist is only that scientifically the education of the three education are not being preached, and most important is worship of the God. Scientifically is not being preached by the human being or so-called saints in the world. That is why atheism, Nastikvad has been produced. Everything God has mentioned in the Vedas scientifically. So there is a proof in the Vedas that there is existence of Almighty God. So three education are preached by the God in the Vedas. First is knowledge of the every matter, second is the shape of the deeds, and third and last is the how to worship the God. What is the process to worship the God. The process of the worship of God is taught by the God himself in the Vedas, not by mankind, no, not by any human being, not by any Rishi Muni or not by any present so-called saints. It is preached by the God himself, and we have to understand the process of the worship of the God, not by man. The process of the worship of the God is told only by any Rishi Muni or any yogi who has attained the stage of the Samadhi, who has realized the God within him and who has realized the Vedic philosophy within him, not by any source of the book, not by studying the Vedas, but the yogi realizes the God and realizes all things like this Ved mantras within his heart. At the stage of the Samadhi, he is only capable to preach the knowledge of the Vedas, knowledge of the God, knowledge of the matters, not everything. So, this is, in short, I have told the philosophy of the Vedas.